In the world of manufacturing, profitability isn't just a financial metric, it's the lifeblood of the business. It determines whether a company can thrive, innovate, and compete in an ever-evolving market. Yet, many manufacturing businesses find themselves grappling with signs of underperformance that can jeopardize their profitability. So, how do you know if your manufacturing process is in trouble? Let's dive into the 10 warning signs that could indicate your business is not performing at its best. First up, we have declining revenue. This is often the first red flag that something is amiss. A decrease in revenue can stem from various factors, such as rising costs of raw materials or labor. Perhaps there's a global economic downturn affecting demand for your products. Whatever the cause, if you notice that your revenue is on a downward trend, it's time to take a closer look at your operations. Short-term cost-cutting measures, like reducing staff or output, might provide temporary relief, but they rarely address the underlying issues. To revitalize revenue, you need to focus on increasing demand and finding ways to reduce those pesky raw material and labor costs. Next, let's talk about declining profit margins. Profit margins are crucial for reinvestment and growth. If your margins are shrinking, it's a sign that your business is struggling to maintain profitability. This could be due to selling products for less than it costs to produce them, intense competition, or outdated technology. Whatever the reason, declining profit margins should serve as a wake-up call. You can combat this by increasing efficiency and productivity, ensuring that your operations are as lean as possible to produce more with less. Speaking of costs, increased costs are another critical indicator of underperformance. If you're noticing a rise in your raw materials or labor costs, it's essential to investigate why. Are you using resources efficiently? Is your inventory management up to par? Increased costs can lead to higher prices for your customers, which may ultimately hurt your sales. Addressing these rising costs quickly can prevent them from spiraling out of control. Another sign of trouble is reduced output. If your production levels are falling below your targets, it can lead to lost sales and lower productivity. This reduction can occur for various reasons, including downtime caused by equipment failure, production losses, or quality issues. Identifying the root causes of reduced output is crucial, as it can significantly impact your bottom line. Streamlining processes and improving quality control can help you get back on track and maintain steady production levels. Now, let's discuss employee turnover. High turnover rates can signal deeper issues within your organization. If employees are leaving frequently, it may indicate dissatisfaction with their jobs, inadequate pay, or lack of advancement opportunities. High turnover can disrupt operations and lead to a loss of valuable skills and knowledge. It's vital to keep an eye on turnover rates and address any underlying issues early on to retain your best talent. Failing productivity levels are another concerning sign. If you notice that productivity is slipping, it could be due to poor management, lack of investment in new technology, or declining employee morale. Monitoring productivity levels and taking action when you see a decline is essential to maintaining profitability. Increasing customer complaints or product returns can also indicate underperformance. If your products fail to meet customer expectation, it can lead to dissatisfaction and lost sales. Poor quality control or the use of inferior materials could be the culprits. Swiftly addressing these issues is crucial to maintaining your reputation and profitability. In today's competitive landscape, increasing competition from lower-cost rivals is a reality many manufacturers face. This can put pressure on your profit margins and force you to rethink your pricing strategies. To stay competitive, you must find ways to reduce costs and improve efficiency, ensuring that you can maintain your market position. Deteriorating relationships with key suppliers can also signal trouble. If your suppliers are consistently late with deliveries or the quality of their materials has declined, it can lead to production delays and increased costs. Maintaining strong supplier relationships is essential for smooth operation, so addressing any issues promptly is crucial. Finally, let's talk about eroding market share. If your products are losing competitiveness, it can lead to declining sales and revenue. This can happen for various reasons, such as changes in technology or customer preferences. Identifying the factors contributing to market share erosion is vital to reversing the trend and regaining your competitive edge. Now that we've covered the warning signs of underperformance, it's essential to understand why typical manufacturing indicators often miss these early signs. Many organizations rely on historical data and averages, which can mask significant variations within the manufacturing process. By supplementing traditional indicators with real-time data from sensors and other sources, businesses can gain better insights into their operations and identify problems before they escalate. So, what can you do if you find your manufacturing business in trouble? First, evaluate your situation. Take a step back and assess what's causing the problems. Once you've identified the issues, create a realistic action plan outlining the specific steps you'll take to improve the situation. And if you're struggling to turn things around on your own, don't hesitate to seek help from experts who can provide valuable insights and guidance. To improve profitability in manufacturing, Consider implementing key strategies such as a data-driven approach, lean manufacturing principles, increased automation, and enhanced quality control. Each of these strategies can help optimize processes, reduce waste, and ultimately boost your bottom line. Tracking key performance indicators is also crucial for maintaining profitability. Focus on monitoring revenue, expenses, and margins. Understanding these metrics will help you identify trends and make informed decisions to improve your business's financial health. In conclusion, recognizing the signs of underperformance in manufacturing is vital for maintaining profitability. By staying vigilant and addressing issues early on, you can keep your business on track for success. Remember, profitability isn't just about numbers, it's about creating a sustainable future for your company. So, keep an eye on those warning signs and take action when needed to ensure your manufacturing business continues to thrive.